live streaming number 127. Okay, so let's start question number 1. Which of the following are important in the study of blood? Okay, which of the following are important in the study of blood? Letter A, as circumstance or corroborative evidence. Letter B, determination of the cause of death. Letter C, determination of the direction of escape of the victim. Or letter D, all of them. Okay, which of the following are important in the study of blood? A, circumstance or corroborative evidence. Letter B, determination of the cause of death. Or letter C, determination of the direction of escape of the victim. Or letter D, all of them. Okay, question number 2. The circulating tissue of the body. Okay, medyo natatakpan. The circulating tissue of the body, it is required. Okay, I'm sorry for the spelling. It is referred to as highly complex mixture of cells, enzymes, proteins, and inorganic substances. A, blood. B, plasma. C, water. D, oil. Okay. Circulating tissue of the body, it is referred to as the highly complex mixture of cells, enzymes, proteins, and inorganic substances. Question number 3. How many percent formed elements or solid materials in our blood composition? Letter A, 100%. Letter B, 55%. Letter C, 45%. Or letter D, 10%. How many percent formed elements or solid materials in our blood composition? A, 100%. B, 55%. C, 45%. Or letter D, 10%. Question number 4. What is referring to the fluid or liquid portion of blood where the cells are suspended? Okay. What is referring to the fluid or liquid portion of blood where the cells are suspended? Letter A, albumin. Letter B, globulins. Letter C, fibrinogen. Or letter D, plasma. Okay. What is referring to the fluid or liquid portion of blood where the cells are suspended? Albumin, globulins, fibrinogen, or plasma. Question number 5. What test is used to determine whether the stain contains blood or another substance? What test is used to determine whether the stain contains blood or another substance? Letter A, preliminary test. Letter B, blood grouping test. Letter C, precipitin test. Or letter D, any of them. What test is used to determine whether the stain contains blood or another substance? Letter A, preliminary test. Letter B, blood grouping test. Letter C, precipitin test. Or letter D, any of them. Question number 6. Which of the following is considered not a preliminary test for blood? Which of the following is considered not a preliminary test for blood? Is it A, Vincent test? Letter B, Phenolphthalein test? Letter C, Guaya-Takuma test? Or letter D, Yuko-Malacche green test? Ayan. Yuko-Malacche green test. Okay, which of the following is considered not a preliminary test for blood. Benzene test, pinoctanin test, guaiacoma test, letter D, leukomalactic test. Okay, let's proceed to question number 7. What substance may be added to blood to preserve it for a week at temperature or indefinitely in a refrigerator? Letter A, sodium chloride. Letter B, benzene solution. Letter C, water. Or letter D, formalin solution. Okay. What substance may be added to blood to preserve it for a week at room temperature or indefinitely in a refrigerator? A, sodium chloride. B, benzene solution. Letter C, water. Or letter D, formalin solution. Next, number 8. What test is used to determine whether blood stain really contains blood? Test that positively identifies blood. Okay. What test is used to determine whether blood stain really contains blood? Okay. This test that positively identifies blood. Is it A, preliminary test, B, blood grouping test, C, precipitin test, or letter D, confirmatory test? What test is used to determine whether blood stain really contains blood? Preliminary test, blood grouping test, precipitin test, or confirmatory test? Question number 9. What is the ideal preserving temperature for blood and other perishable specimens? What is the ideal preserving temperature for blood and other perishable specimens? Letter A, 10 to 20 degrees centigrade. Letter B, 20 to 30 degrees centigrade. Letter C, 40 to 50 degrees centigrade. Or letter D, 50 to 100 degrees centigrade. What is the ideal preserving temperature for blood and other perishable specimens? Okay. Letter A, 10 to 20 degrees centigrade. Letter B, 20 to 30 degrees centigrade. Letter C, 40 to 50 degrees centigrade. Or letter D, 50 to 100 degrees centigrade. Question number 10. This is the last question. Collection of blood stains should not be done as soon as possible. Mere washing of garments, clothing does not remove the blood. Mere washing of garments, mere washing of garments, clothing does not remove the blood. Okay, I repeat. Collection of blood stains should not be done as soon as possible. Mere washing of garments, clothing does not remove the blood. Is it letter A? True. Letter B, false. Letter C, maybe true. Letter D, maybe false. Okay, collection of blood should not be done as soon as possible. Mere washing of garments, clothing does not remove the blood. A, true. B, false. C, maybe true. Or letter D, maybe false. Okay, so this is it. Tapos na natin ang ating self-evaluation sa rating 1 to 10. Okay, so pakisuyo na lang, like, share, and comment sana mga idol. Okay, so I expect you to log in again at 3:30 for another quiz for the criminal law book 1. Okay, so see you again next meeting. You have to submit your answer. Ano oras na? Okay, up to sige, up to 11 o'clock. Deadline for the submission of your answer will be 11 o'clock. Fourth year, at tabayanan din ang inyong pagkakaroon ng self-evaluation at 4 o'clock. So, third year, 3:30 to 4. Fourth year, 4 to 4:30. Okay, see you again next meeting. Have a nice day, ladies and